Good morning, guys. Today is April 23rd, and we're gonna make a quick analysis on Ethereum. And I'm gonna start on that 4-hour time frame because I usually start bigger, but we're gonna talk about this right in. Now, we did just add something interesting happened yesterday. We know that we break through that trend line, and then we retest it. That is definitely a retest. And then I want you guys to pay attention to these two candles right there. I'm gonna go ahead and place that. Okay, that's the best way to do it. So I'm gonna place a box. Okay, so these two candles, when we went back over this trend line, we had two candles. They did look like confirmation that we did go back over it, but I am pretty sure if we look at a low time frame somewhere here, you can clearly see the diversion here. For an example, 15 minutes. These are situations in which I go very low on time frame. You see these diversions. So these diversions lower than 4-hour time frame is probably because there is some big selling pressure anywhere between $2,500 and $2,600. Now, this selling pressure was big enough to push the price to close under that trend line again, and this is now considered as the whole reaction, the reaction that we expected, because once this trend line is broken here, somewhere here, we need to retest it, and then we had those two candles right there would have probably they are tempting. I'm pretty sure that lots of people enter here on FOMO, but what happened is that this entire swing is the reaction. So what we can expect right now is a reason to enter. By reason to enter, a good one would be ETH, because I'm looking for a 4-hour time frame diversion. That's all I need right now, and we don't have it. For an example, lately we had a candle that closed here, same thing here, and then we had another candle that closed slightly higher, and then the RSI did the exact same thing. So we still don't get a diversion on a 4-hour time frame. Now, bullish diversion and a bull trend are more important than bearish diversion in a bull trend, and you probably know that if you follow my style. So the best thing would be if we have a little dip on LSI, not deeper than this one, followed by a little bit more dip. It doesn't have to be big, but slightly lower than this zone right there. That would give us a bullish diversion, a decent bullish diversion, and that would be a reason to enter. Now, if we don't get that, because this is possible that it doesn't happen, what happened is that we haven't sideways for a while, then the next possibility is that MACD on a 4-hour time frame to just go ahead and cross his back. So if we have that, for an example, something like this, that would be a reason to look for an entry. Now, that would be a very particular way to look for an entry on a lower time frame, but that is definitely what we want. Now, the other possibilities, we have another possibility, and this is for those traders who, if you guys are a fan of Fibonacci, I think the best thing to do, if you don't want to miss out, is to take this entire wave right there. This entire wave right there on Fib. This entire wave is the wave that did break out of the triangle that we had on a daily time frame. This entire wave. So you take this entire wave, and then you place orders to enter here at 1965, okay, here at 70.80, and then you would have placed your stop loss here at 1600. Now this is a trade. Now the reason why I'm not taking this trade is because I'm already in a position. Now if you're not in a position, that will be a good way to enter using Fibonacci and the golden pocket of that particular wave. So like maybe 50 here and 50 Ethereum here, and then your stop loss here at 100. That would be a decent one. That is definitely a decent one. So the best case, if you decide to place those holders, the best case is would be a flash crash followed by a diversion. Then you just have to ride it and keep going up. So that would be the best case, the best thing for now. Personally, like I said, I already have a position somewhere here. We're gonna have to wait a little bit more, looking for a reason on a 4-hour time frame to consider this as an end. But for now, I'm gonna wait. Now, the other thing is that if the histogram on MACD went back green, then we might consider looking for other indicator, for an example moving averages, to look for the trend a little bit deeper and see if we can find another entry. So that's it for Ethereum today. I hope guys have a good one, and if you have any question, you can join the virtual beacon server, and then I'll be glad to answer all your interrogation. All right guys, bye, take care.